Right now, a little before 8, did my inspiration writing, doing exercise. And I'm thinking of bananas. No one talks about bananas. They talk about Bitcoin, they talk about stocks, they talk about job. Not one person talks about bananas. Me. Let me explain how it relates to everything. Keep in mind, I'll be going 47 and I'm rocking. No aches, no pains. My body is that of a maybe 35, 45-year-old man. The secret is bananas. You can buy Bitcoin, make money. You have no health, there's no wealth. You want to buy stocks, it's no health, no wealth. You want to get a better job, no health, no wealth. I don't care what you're doing, you gotta have your health. Every disease out there, in my opinion, every thought process, in my opinion, is based on a universal force within. Everything is based on love. I don't care what you have, love. Let me explain how that works. Within us, there's an internal wisdom and knowledge that far exceeds anything else out there in the world. Nothing comes remotely close, science-wise, than knows what's inside our body. It never makes a mistake, ever. So yesterday we had a couple girls come in. One girl had zits on her chin. It happens to a lot of people, or eczema, psoriasis. It's all the same theory. It's love. Everything is love. And how do you heal? You give your body love. Simple as that. How do you heal the internal, the brain side, remove the cause, give the body health and heal condition? The body, if there's enough energy, will heal itself. Skin issues. Man, I got skin issues. What do? I'll eat my cheeseburger. Eat my cup of coffee. I'll eat my fatty food. I'll eat my fried food. I'm gonna go to the doctor. He's gonna give me this lotion to put all over it and mask it. Think about it. Does that make sense? Listen to these two words. Fuel, entertainment. Our bodies need fuel. Our car needs fuel, not entertainment. Our garden needs fuel, not entertainment. All the resources are there, we just have to understand how it works. Do you know what it means? Everything's based on love. So say for example, you have your pizza for lunchtime. And that pizza's made of, dough. Body doesn't see dough, it sees chemicals that the body does not recognize. Cheese, which is, if you knew how they make it, when they take a baby calf from its mother, kill it, cut out the stomach, get an enzyme called rennet, and that's how they make the cheese. What does our body think when it sees that cheese? Full scale, military alert in order to get rid of it. What does our body see, our mind see when it sees that dough? Full scale, military alert to get rid of it. What does it see that pepperoni, whatever you put on that pizza? It doesn't see pepperoni, it sees a dead animal. Full scale, military alert to get rid of it. That takes hours and hours, it sits in your stomach. I don't have any stomach, but still the same weight, 29, 30. Hours to get rid of it. If you cannot get rid of it, and if you have to be in that bathroom toilet, weeks, not weeks, minutes, 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes in order to get that rid of the debris, you're doing something wrong. Which means you should be in the bathroom in and out 2-4 times a day. You're just once a day, it means you're doing something wrong. So when the body has all this debris, pushes out for the skin. That's what it does. So every medical person has to be recommended more fruit, not more medicine. Fruit is recognized by the body. Medicine, clueless. 6 factors in order for the body to recognize it in a complete package. Glucose, protein, vitamins and minerals, fatty acids, and water. And I'm doing my exercise now. Can exercise and do this, it's fine. It's almost 6 minutes. What am I saying to you? Don't believe me. Just begin adding fruit into your diet. The whole thing is you add rather than subtract. You add more fruit, especially fruit in the morning. 1 banana does not do it. Make it 3, 4, 5 bananas in a smoothie. It's pretty easy. Anyway, it's 8 o'clock. I got 15, 20 minutes left to exercise. Super duper, 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 living dream, rock. Good day.